tried several methods to grow a rose plant from a cutting, but in vain, and I failed in most of them, and this one is the only method that I succeeded in, which I wanted to show you. So let's go into the video. First, I'll start with snipping off both sides of the stem in 45-degree angle like this. So make sure there are no leaves on your stem. If it's there, just pluck it off. So I am cutting it on the other side also. And when it's ready, this is what it should look like. Now I'm taking about a pinch of turmeric powder in my hands, and I'm going to put a drop of water and make it a paste. So this we will be applying it to the stem area where we have made the cuts. So this we are doing to prevent the stem from rotting due to any kind of worms or insects that are found underneath the soil. So it starts eating up the stem from inside and it doesn't allow the root to grow. So that is the reason we are applying turmeric, so that this kind of attacks don't happen. Let it dry for about few minutes, and we'll make a small pit and we will plant our stem. Just make sure you plant it firmly. Next comes the most important tip. Just take a bottle that is bigger than the size of your stem and cut the bottom of the bottle and just place it over the stem like this. I don't know what magic happens, but this trick actually worked. 2 months later, I have shifted my house. That is why you see a different place here, but it is the same pot and the same stem. So it's not fake. And here you could actually see the small leaves have sprouted. Can you see them? So 1 month later, this is what it looks like. There are so many leaves that have grown out of the stem. So our method was successful. So hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in another useful video like this. Until then, bye.